Do you want to know how you can sign up for Scale AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Scale AI. Go ahead and search for Scale AI and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page, which is the official page of Scale AI. Click on Login, which is over here on the right hand side, and you can see this page load up. Now, if you already have an account, just go ahead and log into your account, or else click sign up, which is over here on the top right hand side. You can click on this tick mark over here and you can see you can sign up to Scale AI using your Google account, your GitHub account, or your email address. So you can use any of these. Let me teach it to you by clicking on sign up with Google. Make sure you do have a Google account before you click on sign up with Google, and this page will load up. Go ahead and select your Google account and click continue to sign in to Scale API, which is your Scale AI. After that, you can see that you have signed up for Scale AI. First of all, you must write down your personal details like your first name, last name, company. What are you hoping to do with Rapid? So you can write something like transactions and something like that. And you can also click on this box over here if you like. And you can rapidly fill this up. Click next. And click on I agree and click confirm. And this way you can sign up for Scale AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.